Hi, welcome.
Hello,
How can I help you?
I would like to apply for your company's human resources department.
Okay. Take a seat, please.
Thank you. Here is my resume.
Okay, let's have a look at it. Let me ask you some questions.
Okay, sure.
I can see your personal information and job experiences in your resume. Apart from this, would you mind if I ask you about your strengths?
No, first of all, I can say that I am a punctual person. Secondly, I get on well with the other people. So I think that I am suitable for this position.
Well, what about your weaknesses?
In fact, I am a perfectionist. I mean, I want to do my best in my job, so this makes me tired. Moreover, I usually overwork, thus I cannot spend enough time with my family.
Okay, I see. Do you want to add something else?
No, thank you.
Okay, then we will call you as soon as possible.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.